Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a square on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a square symbol in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the book here and just going to insert a square symbol. So if you just click on this change to the insert option, you can't find any insert symbol option present on the Excel mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard as an alternative. So here I just using Google Keyboard. You can use your Google Keyboard, otherwise you can download it from the Play Store. So just click on this symbol section on the downside, then click on the symbol section again. You can see these two options which opens this and extra symbols, and here you can find the squared symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. This is how you just insert the square root on your Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.